Welcome again, all YouTubers. So it's been a while I haven't done a video. So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and change out the screen protector. As you can see, it's all decimated. Some of the tools that we're gonna be using is I got in here. This is called the spleen. And this is the old one. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to reuse the old one. I got these right here. They call the screen frame corners. They go right here, which I just have these as backup. I don't think I need any for this new one right here. And then I got this little tool that's used to put in the screen spleen in here. So put it right in there. All right. And this is the screen protector that I'm gonna be using to replace it. This guy right here, I don't remember what store I got it from. It's either Home Depot or Lowe's. But also, if you look on it, it gives you the type of tools that you're gonna need in order to complete this task. And it also have reference to a website where you can go to get more information. And I like the fact that they have a 5-year warranty, which I never normally don't use it, but again, there's multiple company. I'm not promoting the company per se. Just taking a look at this project right here. All right, so I got my little pocket knife here, and also this one too right here. Got a little thing on it you can also use. Let's cut. After I removed the spleen, I was trying to take this thing out. I was trying to take this out, and for some reason it's not budging. See, so I'm thinking they might have put glue in there, because it shouldn't be that hard to get out. So let me see if I can pull it. I got that out. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm trying to clean this out as best as I can before I put a new one. That screen thing, the best way I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit this. Fit this over here. Get me a measurement. Best way to cut it. So you can use a scissors, whatever. So if you notice what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put this down just not too far out, just enough where you can cover here. These extra pieces I can always cut off. I'm gonna be cutting off. So I'm just trying to get the best. Alright, so I think this should work fine. Alright. So again, this was a piece that I took out. I'm gonna go ahead and reuse it. I'm gonna reuse this piece in here. I think this one will be the best one. I like this. The only reason I like this thing right here because it had the it comes with the cutter in there. But I think this will be better. This is a better fit. Alright, so try to catch it right there. Let's see, just enough. Alright, that should be good right there. This should catch it. It has two sides to it. It got one with a little groove here, as you can see, and this side has a straight piece. So I'm gonna use the one with a groove in it. Alright. Alright, got that in. Trying to make sure. Again, I'm not an expert, just showing you, save a couple bucks, you know. Well, I know we all like to save a couple bucks if we can here and there. But if you don't feel comfortable doing it by yourself, I'm about to use this one because this is the right width. It sits right in there. This one I had the difficulty. I mean, it works. It just was slipping off. So I end up having to use this one right here. This tool right here. Alright, I take back what I was saying with this thing. So with this guy, he started with it, right? He started with it, but it doesn't go deep enough because of this groove right here. So I had to end up using this tool to push it deep. And right here, there was an excess right here. All I did was cut it off. Cut this excess piece off. So now what I'm going to do right now is just to cut off the excess using my little blade. And then go ahead and cut out that little piece so you won't see it. Alright, so here's the finished products. The edging I'm not real proud of, but it's my first one. So as time goes by, hopefully my skills will increase. But as you can tell, it's better than what it looks like before. So it's a simple process. But if you don't feel comfortable doing it, you can also go to I think Home Depot or Lowe's. They have I guess a service desk. You can have a contractor do it, but they have to come out and measure the whole thing. So that's the reason why I wanted to do mine, because if you can see what the first one looked like, over the years it deteriorates, especially when you power wash your house. It you know, these are all pressure from power wash that cause these holes, and the sun, you know, the weather, and how old it is. So again, it's a very easy process. Anybody can do it, I think. But again, if you not feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. Again, as I show you in the beginning of the video, on the front of the bag, I guess this company in particular, they had the tools that you needed. This is called a spleen. And as you can see, what I did, I just reused the one that I had, you know. The only thing I didn't have that this required was this piece right here. But this item that I purchased from Home Depot, it does have, it's called a screen tightener. It does comes with it, but again, I'm not the cutting of it, the edge of it, I'm not really impressed. But it looks decent, as I said before. Yeah, I bought two of them. I bought this one and this one, and they are the same company. But when I was working this in the beginning of the video, the blade came out. The blade came out on this one, so I had to go with this alternative that I had. And according to the video, they do have on their website how to do it, installation, how to do it. You can always refer back to this YouTube video. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And as I get new project that I can do myself, I'll try to upload it so you guys can have an idea if it's something that you guys want to tackle or get a professional to do it. Again, have a good day. And just remember, visit my website at mobilemerchantonline.com. This is the one I replaced in the video, and this is the old one. I don't know if you could see it, but they got a lot of holes in it. But as you can tell, it looks good. Can't see another little imperfection that I showed earlier. So again, it's an easy task, so you guys can do it.